children, today I am here with a topic from the prose section of class 7th English, that is Macbeth. Macbeth is a famous tragedy written by William Shakespeare. In this tragedy, William Shakespeare comments on those people who have hunger for power. The play tells us about the rising hunger for power and tragedy of Macbeth, the hero of the play, who after encountering with the three witches dreams of becoming the king. Before proceeding further, let us know what are the new words you are going to learn in this chapter. So these are the new words. First is Thane. Thane is Thane means a man granted land by the king in return for military service. Thane zena Kaltes mijige military service gyala jiktangna hala. If he do very well in his military service, then he is granted with a piece of land that is Thane. Thane means the land be chief Thane. Then is Duncan, the king of Scotland, symbolizing virtue and benevolence. The Duncan bo e Scotland e raja no like king kawoman kind jig benevolence yut. Okay, next is predict. Predict means to say that an event or action will happen in future. Predict means predict choches ki future inanga chi chaches yot. Teo zerches pola predict choches yano. And that next is possessions. Possessions means wealth. Nor langatai possessions in. Okay, next is traitor. Traitor, a person who is not loyal. A person he is called a traitor. Traitors in. Then rebellion. Rebellion means violent action organized by a group of people who are trying to change the political system in their country. Kaltes ka to mi riga country ji political system jig madik na yang khone te wa violently protest chat na te wanga tai rebellions in to madik na khone protest just pola rebellions in. Next is prophecy. Prophecy means a statement that says what is going to happen in the future. Future in anku a chi chachen zete te zerka ne te spera vola te statement pola, that is called prophecy. Then smear. Smear means to spread a liquid or a thick substance over a surface. Surface shika, chalak chika, chitong shik chalak chika hala. Ya liquid chik ya dog chik substance chik mer chik skuna te wangata smear jo is the school stances pola smear jo zeno. Then next is groom. Grooms energy as in a person whose job is to take care of and clean horses. Ta gyape yoga dukanete migune kawi gyape stagunla stat hala. Stagunla look after chwad yang and also cleans them. Kon demo chose look after chose lakmo chose borkan gulanga tai grooms in. Tigrale. Then haunt. Haunt chose zena to appear in a place repeatedly. Repeatedly malab lagatar jaga chigina bar yon duk ches polanga tai haunts in. Just especially tangatai izu gunla haunt gunga ta nam jano se na जैसे कि शिंदे बार jaga chiga yong na te nityo ngata nang khampa jigina yon na te ngata haunted house jano pa o to ngata haunts in. Tigrale. Then give way. Give way means to lose control over senses, to become mad. Right sense ka control miluchis kabu miluchis tigrale te wangata give ways in tene ya means pagal chachis ya means nyon ba chachis te wangata give ways ano tigrale. Then sleepwalk. Sleepwalk means somnambulism, to walk and sleep. Somnambulism hala. Somnambulism means ya sleepwalk zanopa term bo somnambulism that means to walk and sleep. Ni de nanga dulches polangatai sleepwalks in. Then camouflage. Camouflage, the use of leaves, branches, paints or clothes for hiding soldiers or military equipment so that they look part of the surroundings. Tigrale, camouflage means surroundings nang tsoks thongchukches. जैसे कि specially camouflage po ngata nam use to ano na Indian ya soldiers gune use to ano le ngata Indian soldiers gune use to ano जैसे कि khone uniform indo जैसे कि khon ri ka chaches na ri color uniform gonches jungle na chaches na jungle color uniform gonches ya helmet socks gonte teveka leaves samirale o to ngata camouflage zin tigra thugun. Then invulnerable means impossible to damage or hurt in any way. damage choala impossible. जैसे कि चिक हराई चोमिंगेंचेस या चिक damage चोमिंगेंचेस पोंगाताई invulnerable zano. So students, before starting the play, let us know what are the main characters of the play. So these are the characters. First is Macbeth, then Lady Macbeth, then Banquo, fourth is Macduff, fifth is King Duncan, sixth is Malcolm. There are a few more characters, but these are the important characters of the play, so that's why we are discussing here. First, we will discuss Macbeth. Macbeth is the hero of the play. Because the whole play is about him. He is a Scottish nobleman. He is King Duncan's general. He is the Thane of Glamis, who is appointed by the king, and later on he become the Thane of Cawdor also. In the play, he kills King Duncan and himself become the king. The play ends with his tragic death. Then next is Lady Macbeth. Now students, this Lady Macbeth has a very important role to play in this play, because she is the one who forced Macbeth to kill the King Duncan. She is very ambitious also. She herself wanted to become the queen. That's why she forces Macbeth to kill the King Duncan, and later on at the end of the play she becomes mad and dies in a castle. Banquo is also a Scottish nobleman like Macbeth. He was also there with Macbeth when the three witches encounter them and predicts their future. Later on in the play he was killed by Macbeth for throne. Okay, next is Macduff. So now student, Macduff has also a very important role to play in this play. Macduff is the Thane of Fife. Macduff is also a Scottish nobleman. He's very important in the play because he's the one who killed Macbeth at the end of the play. So next is King Duncan. King Duncan is the king of Scotland. He has two princes. And first, their names are Malcolm and Donalbain. He was killed by Macbeth for throne. So next character is Malcolm. Malcolm is the eldest son of King Duncan. He escapes from Scotland after his father's death with his brother because of the fear of being killed by the new king. Later on, at the end of the play, he becomes the king with the help of Macduff. So these are the characters of the play. Okay, now let us begin the play. The play opens with the three witches who intend to meet Macbeth, Thane of Glamis, and Banquo when they return victorious from a war between Scotland and Norway. The play work shall start chatkaya thugun. जैसे कि even a witches sum thugat kerle so thugat kerzana Macbeth nang Banquo iskala jab khongun war jiktaxte which was fought between Scotland and Norway. Te war bena khontax te khon yonskerle, and the credit of the war goes to Macbeth because he fought very bravely and defended his country. Okay, now the three witches who encounter Macbeth and Banquo on the way predicts that Macbeth will become the Thane of Cawdor first. A Thane of Cawdor Gyurok predict Joskia, and later on a day will come when he will become the king. Jakshik Jaga Gyapo Gyurok Macbeth Lahone predict Joskia. And to Banquo they predicts that though you will not become king, Rang the king Miguro, but your son will be the king after Macbeth Zeste Khone predict Joskia ki Banquo Rang the king Miguro, lekin Rai Tuvo, Puzavo, Macbeth Desting na King Gyurok Zeste Zeskerle. The witches disappear before they could be questioned. Witches वो एकदम तना उसे दिलथिंग वो ने स्टोर सों क्या इससे पहले कि खुंग इसके चितों शिक टी ना हला टीचर संगोमा खोन disappear songs क्या ले. In the meantime, king's messengers arrive. Gyape mi gun yons क्या तना जाए का का खोना ते उठुक ते हला witches gun ठुक से खोन दुख से उठपिन ते का gyape mi gun yons क्या, and they told them that ते उसे क्या कि Macbeth has been chosen as the Thane of Cawdor जिसते खोने खोआ लोन बोझिस क्या हालांकि Macbeth रंग Thane of Cawdor gyur तो ज़ेते जिस क्या. Upon learning that, त्यो छोड़ ते sting बोने Macbeth was sure halaki it's like Macbeth is samskya ki maybe the words of the witches may prove true zete kwe samskya ki chi pata izugune witches gune spera wo sahi chena samte khone kwe samskya halale. Now Macbeth begins to contemplate about Malcolm. Ta teo something sting bone and ta halai ki gyapo gyurche sefia khwa problem chik chik teo yot kya ki khwe Malcolm bo which is the eldest son of King Duncan man pinale King Duncan e pucha chenmo wo prince bo hala te wo lame nanga obstacle jik rak kho gyapo gyurche se lambe nanga samte khwe samskya khala khwe Malcolm bola obstacles oshya nenat yak. At Inverness, jaga chigyot kyakla Inverness zenjik teve nanga Lady Macbeth duksteot kyak where she receives a letter from her husband. Right, husband ekane kwe letter jikwe receive jos kyakle Macbeth ekalteot kyak in which he informs her about his encounter with the three witches and their prediction of him becoming the king. Kwe oto distot ki nga kazua and witches dikthok yang khonguning kazua prediction chuarak pinki one day I'll become the king of Scotland zete halale. Te sing bone she reinforces Macbeth's belief that the crown will be achieved by shortest route, that is by killing the king. Now Lady Macbeth she was quite sure. Quite like sure zenang ta koi samat kya ki e spera wo tangpo chen it will become true zete koi samat kya, but then main problem jikte hoyat kya ki Macbeth was kind enough. Macbeth wo chapi kind yo just pejaste dene koi samat kya ki tyo chapi chik obstacle jik rak samte hala dene koi Macbeth la bar enforce chuat kya koi force chuat kya ki this will become true zete koi force chuat kya kaltes ngatai possible shortest route po apnai chona. That is what is the shortest route she told him, that is by killing the king. Kaltes ka to gyapo ngatai sat tangna then you will be the king zete kwe force chus kyale. The king at Macbeth's castle, and now Macbeth thinks over the consequences of assassinating the king, but fears to do so. Jakshikja king bo yonskyak Macbeth king bo Macbeth e bulai joskya khorai castle enangko khorai mahal enangkuga, and there he thinks ki tangi hala is your right opportunity, the right chance rakya po bola sache sefia. So teo sambata atya, but he was fear of doing that halale kho chapik jik sat kyak to chuchesla. On that Lady Macbeth called him coward. Lady Macbeth ekha coward zete zeskyarle. Te sing bone she tells him about her plan that they will shift the blame on the king's groom by smearing them with the blood from the murdered weapons. Tigrale testing na Lady Macbeth ekhorai plan bo share josh kyarle Macbeth la ki suches pongata sadan rai sot lekin ngatai blame bo izwi ka halate grooms gune ka tain king e grooms gune ka who were with the king halale king nang yam po yot kya te king e grooms gunya groom uni ka ngatai blame bo tain kazo tain jena jab sa testing bone blood gun khone ka shkus tain jete khon pura smear chon blood nang yam po ote blood izu murdered weapons gune blood nang yam po khona shkus tain tene mi gune samanoki murder bo is which was zete hala khone grooms gune chos zete samanos diskya the murder is discovered by Macduff. He was suspicious of Macbeth from after the King Duncan's death halale murder bo Macduff pata songkya ki murder ho na ho murder bo Macbeth chos zete Macduff pata songkya. Okay, don't confuse Macbeth with Macduff. Tigrale Macduff nang Macbeth iskange kazo characters nangi daksa shots tena soslano Macduff pata songkya ki malab discover halai ekhe shik shayad shak songkya ki ho na ho Macbeth izuk po gya po sat masat sa hezete. Tigrale Malcolm and his younger brother Donalbain are uneasy when they learn that the only possible witnesses grooms are dead. The Malcolm nang khwe brother medale Donalbain niska pat uneasy sonto kya khoska jik sat kya ki ta hala gyapo sat kan bo sef witness shigyot pin sunok zena witness gun grooms in pin ta khon nang shite miru hala khon nang sate miru. That means ta is thing bone ngaje chance ngaja sache se zugino halate new king be suji gyuche sin nang sui gyape dankane murder chose in nang next ngaya satano samte khone samskya so that's why they escaped from Scotland tigrale Scotland ne khon bing te songkya izuk Donald Bain nang Malcolm niska Scotland ne shorte me thala thugun that's why Macbeth has become king now, the new king. Macbeth po new king gyurkyarle. This thing bone Macbeth now plans of Banquo's murder. Ta Macbeth lamina suyotle. Banquo yot hala. Chezena Banquo nang kwe tugung iskano pa hala. Banquo ve tugu wo next izuk king gyurano zete which is gonna predict just yot pin halale. Tefia Macbeth Banquo murder bo plan chose Banquo such, but he is displeased about his son's fiance's escape. But khod te fia dukhi yot kya chazena Banquo son bo kavo which is gonna predict chose that pinki he will be the king zete. Kho shorte song hala kho shorte met kya te fia Macbeth la chapik Macbeth pomma hante tension ena yot kya ki Khoshor pasangta halale. The ghost of Banquo now haunts Macbeth. Isu Macbeth isu Banquo wasat halale. Tefia Banquo ghost po bar haunt chwat kya Macbeth ka tikra Macbeth yotsayot kya bar khwa haunt chwat kya te khwe jaga ve ka tikra le. He seeks out to the witches again. Tene kho te problem bu khurte ki Banquo bar nge ka haunt choru khala Banquo isu pe shinde ve tefia kho gomane yang witches guna thuga songkya. And learns that he must beware of the theme of 5, that is Macduff. Which is gunete is kya ki rang Macduff ka wo theme of 5 in kwe kane hushar dukh hezete kwe kane bach ke rehna zete khone warn chuskya. And also said that he cannot be harmed by any of woman born and that he will not be defeated until Birnam Wood shall come against him. Yang khona teo zeskya ki khir rang mane defeat chongyana mano jab tak tizuk mijik miyong who is not of woman born. Who is not of woman born means gao ame nangne naturally born mi chakane thugu jige ranga chang ham chongyana mano halale. Tefia teo zeskya yang teo zeskya ki you will not be defeated. Rang te sape harai chomingyan jab tak Birnam Woods po rang yotsayong mingyan. Tigrale. So now here Macbeth ateo samskya ki chapik hala ika relief shikrak because izuk shingmi jikta yot medo ki kavo woman born jik in man tigrale woman born man kan jik mi jik yot medo first and second izuk changma gun dul tenga yot sayong ches ya changma jik khorang dul teng kazo yoano so it is like completely impossible ki nga harai chen jete Macbeth is samskya. Here Macduff joins Malcolm in England. Ta England nanga Malcolm e army jik raise chwat kyakle. Ka venanga izuk Macduff po Malcolm a join chos kyak. Te army wo te fia raise chos teno te fia establish chos teno ki taki khongune yang gomane Scotland na invade chongyanen. Korangune own country bola yang gomane kabza chongyanen. Tigrale kao Macbeth khonikane nente in pin. Macbeth orders the murder of Macduff and all her children. Macbeth order jiktang skya khorai mi gulna ki Macduff nang khonge thu changma sot zete. Te order butang skya. Lady Macbeth's mind gives way. Now Lady Macbeth halal Macbeth name mind bo izuk songkyarle kho malab mad gyur kya tigra she speaks of unnatural deeds kho pura mane unnatural spera riktat kya spera yam chan riktat kya and she sleepwalks also kho chalna halangi denang dulat kya so in a way she has become mad kho mad songs thing kya malab nyonmo gyur thing kya tigra le Macduff with the invading army approaches Macbeth's fortified Dunsinane Castle near the Birnam Wood halale. Ta Macduff po kao Malcolm e thopa in halale. Macduff po khorai army wo thite Macbeth e castle yotsayong kya kavo Dunsinane Castle in kavo Birnam Wood e dulna yot tigrale. It is there that the Lady Macbeth dies, while the soldiers of Malcolm and Macduff use branches of trees of Birnam Wood as camouflage for their assault on the castle. Tigrale ta spera chik nana borches tiono ki inanga Malcolm nang Macduff niske army wo tizuk shikchuen yos kya kaw heran chajis जैसे कि witches gune predict jos det pin until Birnam would por rang yot sa yong menyan hala yong mi yong tap tak rang harai chama no zete zete yot pin but very interesting thing happen here is te halale Macduff nang Malcolm niske soldiers gun Birnam wood branches gun rai camouflage choche se fia khurte that means te tree se branches gun rang hala kapche se fia taki te wood na pata micha ki ngaya yongs te in zer kambu pata micha ches as a camouflage kon khurte isu ko Macbeth de castle yotsa yongs Tigrale, you heran chaches espera jino, which is gun espera izuk chakan chik hala, true chakan chik te ono ki, Birnam wood pokoran horan rule te yonkan so tugun. Macbeth's forces are defeated, but he, remembering the witch's word, believes he is himself invulnerable. Magar Macbeth izuk gun hala, tate castle beka Macbeth army pura harai song kyale. Lekin Macbeth la tarung te wo sambayon at kya, which is gun espera itu at kya ki, I will not be defeated. Nga I am invulnerable. Nga invulnerable in nga defeat chama nozer kan bokwe sambena yot kya tigrale. He is killed by Macduff, and finally he is killed by Macduff. Macduff ekot satskyak, and Macduff potyo nok the opponent. Tizuk opponent chik who was not of woman born. Pomo amaji kane naturally ske kane tugujik mano, because he was taken out of the mother's womb before time. Tigrale time is sangoma khoshke sangoma ame khokpe nangne hala womb be nangne time is sangoma kho operate joste hala kho phingsyak that means kho naturally ame nangne mashke rakpa. That means here also the words of the witches come true. Tigrale witches words gun yangoma ne thik song terak hala tangpo bing terak. So Macbeth died. Macbeth was killed by Macduff, and Malcolm was succeeded to throne. Tigrale Malcolm bo throne ka iso kalskya malab Malcolm bo gyapo gyurchuskya. So this is all about the play. I hope all of you have understood the chapter. If you have any query or anything, any doubts, please let me know. Please contact me on my number. And for the exercises, I want all of you to do it on your own. Exercises gun chapters both clearly ha go te yodo. So exercises gun exam lamo dugle nijara chong yanches duk kaltes ka to manyan na nge number ka phone choste ya WhatsApp choste nije tinang digle. Thank you so much.